until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Iowa, Lyon and Sioux; in the following counties: in Minnesota, Nobles, Pipestone and Rock; in the following counties: in South Dakota, Lincoln, Minnehaha, Moody and Turner. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Pipestone County in southwestern Minnesota, Moody County in east central South Dakota, Lake County in east central South Dakota, Minor County in east central South Dakota, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Old Hampton near Chester, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: 80 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Madison, Wentworth, and Chester around 3:35 p.m. Coleman around 3:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Egan, Trent, Nunda, Jasper, Pipestone National Monument, Trotsky, Flandreau, and Ward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Pipestone, Minnesota, and the following counties: in South Dakota, Lake, Moody, and Minor. At 4:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lamberton, or 22 miles south of Redwood Falls, moving northeast
No.
miles per hour.
Don't lose reception.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following effects are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Walnut Grove, Lamberton, Sanborn, and Revere. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive to a The National Weather Service has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: in Minnesota, Blue Earth, Brown, Faribault, Martin, Nicollet, Redwood, and Watonwan. The following is in southwestern Minnesota, Murray County in southwestern Minnesota.
God damn it, KXS.
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been determined by law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. 15 p.m. for southern Lyon, Murray, and northwestern Cottonwood counties.
Oh, come on, what the hell? Come on, no. No, what the fuck?
For your protection. protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North County and South Minnesota. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding. This severe thunderstorm will be near Clayton around 4:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Lake Shetek State Park, Curry, Fulda, Westbrook, Stoughton, and DeVray. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of hazard Kingston near Sherman, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Trotsky around 4:45 p.m. Ward around 4:55 p.m.
Oh my God.
Pipestone and Pipestone National Monument around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Island and Flandreau Santee-Sioux Tribal Nation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Pipestone, Minnesota, and the following counties in South Dakota, Lake and Moody. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued...
Hold on. Here we go. Last one to focus here.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 440, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following county: Allamucky, Iowa, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Crawford and Vernon. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
That's Wisconsin.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to... Some locations that will experience minor flooding include Walnut Grove, Lambert, Sanborn, and Revere. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. The 9 counties until 5:45 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Madelia, or 17 miles south of New Ulm, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, western Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, northern Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern O'Brien County in northwestern Iowa, Rock County in southwestern Minnesota, Jackson County in southwestern. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for Lyon, western Osceola, northern Sioux, northwestern O'Brien, Rock, Jackson, Nobles, eastern Minnehaha and southeastern Lincoln counties. At 5:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blue Mountain State Park to near Round Lake to near Lake Park, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. At 5:05 p.m., a 64 miles an hour wind gust was measured 1 mile west-southwest of Magnolia. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. These severe storms will be near Round Lake around 5:25 p.m. Damaging winds of 60 to 80 miles an hour may persist for 30 minutes across portions of Rock, Nobles, and Lyon counties. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Lakefield, Wilmot, Killenwood State Park, Jackson in Jackson County, Rushmore, Worthington, Brewster, and Heron Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lyon, Sioux, O'Brien, and Osceola, and the following counties in Minnesota: Nobles, Rock, and Jackson, and the following counties in South Dakota: Lincoln and Minnehaha. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Martin County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located 6 miles southwest of Sherburne, or 8 miles east of Jackson in Jackson County, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fairmont, Sherburne, Truman, Tremont, Welcome, Salon, Iowa Lake, Occommon-Peton Lake, Granada, East Chain, Northrop, and Dunnell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Blue Earth County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vernon Center, or 18 miles southwest of Mankato, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Vernon Center around 6 p.m. Amboy around 6:05 p.m. Good Thunder around 6:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Till 7:15 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monona, or 11 miles west of Prairie du Chien, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Farmersburg around 6:30 p.m. McGregor and Marquette around 6:35 p.m. Garnavillo around 6:45 p.m. Guttenberg around 7 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Volney, Spook Cave Campground, Giard, Watson, Bridgeport, National and Patch Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Allamucky and Clayton, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Crawford and Grant. You're listening to NOAA. La Crosse has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Allamucky County in northeastern Iowa, northwestern Clayton County in northeastern Iowa, northeastern Fayette County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Howard County in northeastern Iowa, Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa, until 3:30 a.m. Wednesday. At 8:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2.5 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is expected. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cresskill, Alcater, Postville, Monona, Calmar, McGregor, Austin, Marquette, Spillville, Fort Atkinson, Ridgeway, Farmersburg, Protivin, Hardin, Loanna, Costulia, St. Olaf, and Frankville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. Main impact time is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Iowa, Allamucky, Clayton, Fayette, Howard, and Winneshiek. At 8 p.m.